Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a quick makeup look that you can do every day. I know a lot of you guys started school or are gonna start school soon, and I mean, who has time to do like a whole full face at like 6 o'clock in the morning? So I'm gonna start off with priming my face. Right now I'm gonna use the Smashbox primer. I'm just gonna use the Gimme Brow by Benefit Cosmetics. So I always like to start off with my eyebrows, and then after this I'm gonna go in with concealer and clean that up a bit. And I'm using the Sephora Make No Mistakes concealer, and just this concealer brush from Sephora as well. It's the number 45. Go ahead and just go all around, just clean it up a bit. Although I didn't use a lot of makeup, I just feel like this makes it look cleaner. And also, like, if your eyebrows have grown out and maybe you're letting them grow out, or maybe you just haven't got a chance to get them done, this is nice because it hides them little hairs. So I'm just gonna go in with this Real Techniques, I think it's like a blending brush. It really doesn't say anything, but yeah, just go in and blend it. I like to like raise my eyebrows like this because I feel like it makes it easier for me. And then usually I just put like the concealer in the back of my hand, and whatever's left over, because I feel like I grabbed a little too much, I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and go with this NYX Liquid Illuminator. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face just to give me a glow. And then once I'm done with this, I'm gonna add that concealer that I was saying underneath my eyes, and like where all these pimples or scars are at, just to cover it up. And then once you do that, I usually like to keep like makeup wipes nearby because I use my hands a lot, and you want to clean them before grabbing anything else or whatever. And I got these wipes from Dollar Tree, so like the wipes that I use to just clean up, I usually just get them from Dollar Tree, because why spend a lot of money when you can just get some cheap shit and it'll clean it up. But I don't really like them to like remove my makeup at the end of the day. But I like them for like, it's weird. Like, it'll clean the back of my hand like good, but when I go in and clean my makeup off, I don't feel like it does the job. So after I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead with my foundation. I'm not gonna blend this, I'm just gonna blend it once I have like my foundation blended in together. So right now I'm gonna mix two foundations because I feel like I'm a little tan, and this foundation right here, the Born This Way, was like my shade in like January. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this Infallible Pro Glow foundation, which I really like this. It has a really nice glow, and it doesn't feel so heavy, but it does give you a good coverage. So I just put a couple drops in the back of my hand. I literally use my back of my hand for like everything. And add like a drop or two of the darker one so you can see. And then after that, I just go in and like mix it. Once I got it all mixed, I just start doing this. I feel like it looks a little off, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of the lighter in a second. Once I got this over here, and I just go in and blend. And like in this area, I kind of like hold the brush like this and just like swipe it down to get like that clean line on top. And then I just go in and kind of like dab it around. Make sure everything's blended good. I like to put my foundation on my eyelid just so it gives me an even look, especially if you're not doing any eyeshadow. I do recommend just going in and dabbing it on there. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. To set my face, I'm not doing any like baking or anything because it's quick. I'm just gonna go in with the Peach Perfect translucent powder. Go ahead and get some powder and just set my face wherever I get oily. I try not to do so much just because I do want to keep that radiance look, and if I go in and set my whole face, I feel like I'll lose that glow. Now that we did that, I'm gonna go in and do my bronzer. So this bronzer is really nice. My sister got it for me. It smells like, I don't know, like coconut. I don't know, it smells really good. I do like the formula. I feel like it blends really nice, and I think this one's from Physicians Formula. This is another drugstore product, and I really do like it. I've always wanted to try their products, like their bronzers. I've tried their eyeliners, but I finally did. My sister got me one. Oh, look at that. I just realized that it comes with like a little brush. It opens up and it comes with a little brush on the inside, but oh, it's like a sponge. Oh, that's weird, because how would you blend that? But okay, it's cute though, look. And I'm just gonna go in, let's see, with this brush, an angle brush, and this is the number 4. I think I got this, like, I got this whole little set. BH Cosmetics, they had like, they always have sales going on. You guys should check them out. Yeah, I think I got this set for like $13, which was really nice, and I do like the brushes. So I'm just gonna go in and put some bronzer on. I usually just get my product and then tap whatever's left. If you're having a hard time on how to contour or whatever, you can just go like that, and you'll do right here. Just go in and bronze things up. And I feel like this one, you have to like build it up if you want like a darker shade, because it gives you a really nice natural bronze. So once we got the bronzer, I feel like I need a little bit more right here. Okay, so now that I did that bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the NARS Illuminating Loose Powder, and I'm gonna use it like a blush. You gotta be careful with this because a little bit goes a long way. So it's like this, and this is the shade Orgasm, and I really like this color. It's super nice. It gives you like a little rose gold, but like a lot of it comes out. So usually what I use is whatever's left on the lid, and I'm just gonna go in with this brush right here and add some of that. But like I said, you have to be really careful with this, because then you'll look like a hot mess. So just even after I grab some of the product, tap. Every time you're gonna grab any loose powder, tap it. If you need more, go and grab some more. So just smile, add some right here, bring it up a little bit. I'll bring it even up like this. See, like, I feel like I need a little bit more over here. Ooh, that was a little too much. If you feel like you did a little too much, you can always go in and just blend it. So like, I feel like that was a little too much, and I'm just gonna go in with my foundation brush and just blend. And I kind of want to add a little bit, spice things up, and add a little bit on my eyelid. Or you know what? Yeah, I'll just do a little bit. And then once you did all of that, I just go ahead and clean up any area that I got makeup on, and I want to take off like my lips. I hate this. You gotta be so careful when you're like removing makeup around it. Okay. And I feel like I got some on my hoops, so I'm just gonna go in and clean these up. Makes a big difference. Big old hoops. And then your hairline. Make sure you don't forget about that. So now that I did that, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Clear brow gel. And I just put that on my brows. Brush them up. I like to brush them up right here. And then once I go down here, I kind of like brush them down. And now that I did that, I'm gonna add some highlighter. I'm using the Anastasia highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighters. And I'm just using a fan brush to apply that. I like to blend my highlighter down like this, because I don't like whenever it looks like a harsh line right there. So just blend it down a little bit. Do some on my nose. And then once you have all of that done, I just go ahead and curl my lashes and put some mascara on. I know that some of you like doing eyelashes. When I'm on the go, I don't like doing that. I just want to hurry up and put my makeup on and not worry about lashes. But you can add lashes to make this look a little bit more dramatic. So just curl my lashes. And this is another favorite drugstore product that my sister got me as well. It's the Covergirl, the Super Sizer Big Curl Waterproof Mascara. And usually like with this mascara, I feel like one coat is good enough. So now we'll do some on the bottom. Grab a little bit more. Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm just gonna go in and put some lip gloss. Right now, I'm gonna use the Orgasm as well lip gloss by NARS. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Illuminating Setting Spray by CoverFX. You wanna make sure you shake this up really good, because if not, it'll give you like little white spots throughout your face or your clothes if you're wearing like black or dark color clothes. So shake it up and just spray away. That's the final look. Something simple, nice, not too dramatic. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If there's anything you'd like to watch, please leave a comment down below. Till next time, bye.